My name is Natasha Buchanan. I am a principal attorney with Lanak Hanna. I have been practicing law for 15 years, but I recently celebrated my 10-year anniversary with Lanak Hanna. It's really important to me to have a very open and honest communication policy with my clients. I look at cases from the very beginning and I try to see what our weaknesses are and our strengths. And where we have weaknesses, I try to nip those in the bud very quickly. I've found that clients appreciate the honesty and the candor, and that's why I get repeat clients that are continuing coming back because they know that I have their best interest at heart. I typically try to maintain open lines of communication. You can reach me always on my cell phone or through email or through the phone. When I get a new case, I will take a look at what the client has provided me, what their documents are. Like I said, I will look at what the strengths and weaknesses of their cases are. Normally what I'll do is I will create a memorandum of what the relevant case law is or the legal authority, what evidence that we need to support our case, or what evidence would refute any defenses that a defendant may have as to why they believe that our claim is invalid. So I tend to try to educate clients as early on as possible with what the legal process looks like. It's not something that people who are not in the legal world are familiar with, so there's various words like discovery or depositions, law in motion, demurs, that you have to give the client more of a layman's explanation to it so that they understand why you're taking the steps that you are taking and why you need to take those steps. Initially, when I went to college, I always thought that I was going to work in the corporate world. I was planning on doing my MBA and also was going to get my law degree just as having that so that in the corporate world I would be well versed in legal jargon. As I took more courses and realized that my passion was more for the law and being able to be put in a position to adequately and properly advise clients with various laws, and it really became a passion of mine that I could be the person that can allow the business to be the business and they can rely on me to be their legal support.